Well, the freedom to smoke weed in the state of Florida is in the hands of the state Supreme Court. The justices heard arguments this morning on whether voters should allow recreational marijuana here in Florida. WESH 2's Bob Hazen tells us the state attorney general is trying to keep that measure off the ballot, though.
Supporters want this amendment on the ballot next year. It would erase the state penalties for people having up to 3 ounces of marijuana. But State Attorney General Ashley Moody, opposing it in her office, asked the state Supreme Court to weigh in on whether the amendment is valid. At the Supreme Court today, lawyers for the AG's office argued the amendment's confusing because it says people are allowed to have weed, even though federal law still bans it.
What they should probably have said is that the amendment eliminates state law penalties and liability for certain uses of marijuana. That's far more accurate. Now, they don't want to do that because, well, it's just less sexy, less appealing to voters.
The sponsor of the amendment is Smart and Safe Florida, a group bankrolled by Trulieve, the dominant medical marijuana dispensary company in Florida. They got enough signatures to get it on the ballot, and their lawyer says voters are smart enough to understand what they're voting about.
Typical voter, most voters will understand that the federal proscription on marijuana is not at issue here. This is about Florida law.
In the past, the state Supreme Court has rejected amendments on recreational marijuana, but supporters of this one say they've changed the language based on those past rulings. And today, some of the justices seemed to be skeptical of the Attorney General's issues.
Help me understand what this does to inject confusion.
Because it uses a word, allows, that affirmatively
Well,
suggests.
yeah, but come on. It also says applies to Florida law.
No word from the court about when it'll make its ruling. In Orlando, Bob Hazen, WESH 2 News.
All right, if Florida does legalize recreational marijuana, we would be joining about half the country that already allows adults to use it. Ohio just became the latest to join that list after voters made their decision last night in the election.